I'm Lori. I'm with My Favorite Books here in Tallahassee, Florida. We have Snowflakes in a Blizzard. It's a blog that we are doing a drawing for them today, actually 2 drawings. We're going to have Roberta Burton, who is with us. She's a local author, and she has written The Burgundy Briefcase, and she's going to be doing her drawing. So Miss Roberta, let's draw for the first name, which will be winning 2 books. And who do we have?
Lacey Sereduk. S-C-R-E-D-U-K.
All right.
And she will be getting 2 books, and the second winner is
Liz Mitchell.
oh, an easier name.
Yes.
Right.
All right, so Daryl from Snowflakes in a Blizzard will be contacting you and letting you know how you can pick up your free books. Thank you.